Hello, and a very warm welcome to our channel. It is always a pleasure to have you with us as we explore the marvels of our world together. We invite you to settle in for a calm and gentle journey. Today, our travels take us to the nation of Gabon. Before we begin this peaceful exploration, if you enjoy these visual journeys and wish to see more, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel. Your support allows us to continue bringing these stories to you. Our adventure today will be a quiet one, giving you a feeling for the place, its people, and its spirit. We will move slowly, as if on a gentle river. We will see the bustling energy of its cities and the serene pace of life in its countryside villages. We will wander through its vast ancient rainforests, listen to the rush of its hidden waterfalls, and stand on the shores of its wild Atlantic coast. This journey is made with curiosity and a deep appreciation for this Central African jewel. We will use a special visual style today, a world crafted carefully from clay. This claymation world is soft, warm, and full of gentle details. Every tree, every river, every face you see has been shaped with care. Soft, warm music will accompany our visuals, and easy-to-read subtitles will appear like karaoke so you can follow along effortlessly. Our narrator, with her clear and gentle American voice, will be our guide. Our story will flow from a wide, global view, slowly zooming in to daily life. We'll start by finding Gabon on the world map. Then we will gradually move closer, exploring its cities, its natural wonders, its economy, and its history. Finally, we will arrive at the heart of Gabon, its culture, its food, its people, and the simple, profound rhythms of everyday life. So please, relax and join us as we discover Gabon in a way you may never have seen it before. Let us begin. To truly begin our journey, let us first find our destination on the map of the world. Gabon is nestled comfortably in Central Africa, a verdant jewel situated directly on the equator. Its western edge is defined by a long and beautiful coastline that meets the vast South Atlantic Ocean. This proximity to the sea has shaped its history, its economy, and the very diet of its people for centuries, providing abundant fish and a gateway for trade with the wider world. The ocean's tides bring a constant, soothing rhythm to the country's western frontier, a gentle pulse that is felt throughout the land. Looking more closely at its borders, we can see how Gabon is cradled by its neighbors. To the north, it shares a border with Cameroon, a country of diverse landscapes and cultures. To the east and extending down to the south, Gabon is bordered by the Republic of the Congo. These land borders are not just lines on a map, they are porous boundaries across which people, traditions, and goods have flowed for generations, creating a rich tapestry of shared history and cultural exchange. The great forests that span these borders are home to an incredible diversity of wildlife that knows no human boundaries, moving freely through this immense green heart of Africa. Despite its considerable size, Gabon is a sparsely populated nation. The country covers an area of approximately 267,000 square kilometers, which is comparable to the size of the United Kingdom or the state of Colorado in the United States. Yet, within this vast expanse lives a population of just over 2 million people. This low population density means that immense tracts of the country remain wild and undeveloped. It is a land where nature still holds sway, where primeval rainforests cover over 80% of the territory, creating one of the most important and pristine ecological sanctuaries left on our planet. In this nation of many cultures, the official language that unites everyone is French, a legacy of its colonial history. However, the linguistic landscape is far richer than just one language. As you travel through the country, you will hear the melodic sounds of numerous local languages, such as Fang, Miene, and Zebi, each carrying the unique stories and worldview of its people. The majority identify as Christians, often blending traditional African beliefs. A small Muslim community, and others add to a diverse spiritual fabric. Our journey now takes us from the map into the living, breathing spaces of Gabon. We begin in the capital, Libreville. Its name translates to Freetown, and it is the country's largest and most cosmopolitan urban center. Situated along the coast, Libreville balances modern office buildings, bustling markets, broad boulevards, and quieter neighborhoods. It is the political and economic heart of the nation. Other important cities include Port-Gentil, the hub of the country's vital oil industry, and Franceville, a key center in the interior. These cities draw people from across the country seeking work and opportunity. Beyond the energy of the main cities lies the vast countryside, where life moves to a slower, traditional rhythm. Here, small villages are scattered like beads on a string, often near the life-giving waters of a river, or nestled in clearings within the immense forest. In these villages, the community is the cornerstone of existence. Homes are often simple structures, built from local materials, and life is lived as much outdoors as indoors. The bonds between neighbors are strong. People work together, celebrate together, and support one another through life's challenges and joys. The day begins with first light, roosters, and gentle cooking fires. Adults tend the fields, and children walk to small village schools, their laughter echoing through the trees. Afternoons may bring games by the riverbank under elders' watchful eyes. At dusk, families share a meal, and elders pass down wisdom through stories and fables. Many are skilled artisans, creating from wood, reeds, and clay. This quiet, communal, and creative existence defines the enduring spirit of the Gabonese countryside. Gabon is a natural masterpiece, where Earth's forces sculpted breathtaking beauty. Pristine beaches stretch for miles, with sea turtles nesting by night. A clay elephant walks along the sand near the water's edge. Moving inland, the country is laced with a complex network of rivers. The most significant is the mighty Ogooué, winding like a giant artery, providing life and sustenance to everything along its banks. For centuries, these rivers have been the highways of the interior, used to transport goods, visit neighboring villages, and to fish. The slow waters mirror the dense green canopy, mysterious and calm. Deeper in, spectacular waterfalls appear, from gentle mossy streams to torrents plunging into crystal pools. Kongu Falls and Jiji Falls on the Avindo River are among the most dramatic. These are places to cool off, relax, and connect with the spiritual power of nature. While not a land of towering peaks, rolling hills and low mountains adorn Gabon, including the Crystal Mountains in the north and the Chailu Massif in the south, highlands cloaked in cloud forests that feed many rivers. Hidden within these hills are caves that once sheltered early inhabitants, some bearing faint petroglyphs. The economic story of modern Gabon is largely written in oil. Offshore and onshore petroleum transformed fortunes, becoming the economy's primary engine. Vast forests support a major timber industry, with mining for manganese and iron ore also significant. Yet reliance on finite resources is not sustainable long-term. The Gabon Vert strategy develops the economy while protecting nature. Sustainable agriculture, ecotourism, and services are growing to create jobs in harmony with the wilderness. Development appears in new buildings, schools, hospitals, and utilities. Better roads and bridges aim to link the interior with coastal hubs. Progress is steady but challenging. Livelihoods span government, oil and gas, services, informal trade, fishing, and farming. Development is a journey, not a destination. It's a slow road, but there is clear effort toward that future. Section 6, Echoes of the Past, History and Ancient Landmarks. The history here stretches back tens of thousands of years. Archaeology shows habitation for hundreds of thousands of years by early hunter-gatherers. Later, Bantu-speaking peoples brought agriculture and ironworking, founding villages and cultures. Petroglyphs etched on outcrops and caves show patterns, animals, and figures, meanings lost to time yet powerfully present. Pottery, iron tools, and old village traces piece together early history. From the 15th century, Portuguese, Dutch, French, and English arrived for ivory, timber, and rubber. This era also brought the profound tragedy of the transatlantic slave trade. France consolidated rule in the 19th century. In 1960, Gabon transitioned peacefully to independence. Today, colonial architecture, the French language, and blended traditions reflect a complex legacy. Section 7. The Soul of a Nation, Traditions, Crafts, and Daily Life. Music and dance accompany births, weddings, funerals, and festivals. Many ceremonies involve spiritually significant masks, like the famed white masks of the Punu. Artisans transform forest bounty into statues, stools, bowls, baskets, mats, nets, pottery, and jewelry. Daily life follows sun and seasons, work shared, games played, meals prepared together. The individual woven into community. Section 8, A Taste of Gabon, the Kitchen and the Land. Meals are hearty and local. Cassava, often pounded into manioc, plantains, yams, and rice, served with grilled or smoked fish, chicken, goat, or rich stews, and sauces of peanuts, palm oil, and wild nuts, seasoned with onion, garlic, and hot peppers. First clean and score a fresh fish. Season simply, fry until golden. Peel ripe plantains, fry or boil, and serve alongside with fresh greens. Small-scale farms grow staples and vegetables. Some regions cultivate cocoa, coffee, rubber, and oil palm. Rivers and the coast provide abundant fish. Section 9. A final glimpse and a warm goodbye. From the map to the heart of the nation, we've seen cities and forest villages, elephant-trod beaches, hidden waterfalls, and sanctuaries where gorillas, chimpanzees, and forest elephants roam. We felt echoes of history and the warmth of culture, dance, home-cooked meals, community. Thank you for joining our claymation tour of Gabon. If you enjoyed this trip, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us continue. We look forward to our next adventure. Until then, may you find peace and wonder where you are. See you next video.